All HP ProLiant Gen 8 rack mount servers ship with a quick deploy server mounting rail kit. The toolless quick deploy rack rails are clearly marked front left and front right. Align the guide pins in the desired U location and snap the rail in place. Here we've installed our ball bearing telescoping solution that allows for in-rack serviceability. When installing the server into the rack, position the rear alignment pin in the slot marked number 1 and slowly lower the server into position. Press the 2 blue release buttons and slide the server in. For server removal, press the front release latches and lift up. Around the back of the server, the cable management arm can be mounted on either side. And the cable management arm stop bracket is mounted in the outer slot. We also offer a value solution. These toolless quick deploy rack rails are clearly marked front right and front left. Remove the inner member from the rail and attach it to the server. As on the previous solution, align the guide pins in the desired U location and snap the rail in place. For servicing, the server must be completely removed from the rack. Here, we demonstrated our 1U mounting solutions. We also offer the same mounting solutions for our 2U products.